we are represent some Rasta color in the house. Yes, guys. And you know, see, Bob Marley birthday, so we know we have to go out big and large. Yeah, man. Everything cool, everything cycle, and everything airy to the world. May I tell the people them say to the world this thing, you know. Yes, yes, it really popping with lots of colors. Yes, yes, yes. Look at it, guys. These are the Rasta color, you know. The green, the yellow, and the red. Okay, and you know, so me have to represent Jamaica. So you know, so me have to put some black in it. Yes. I do it today, yeah. Alright, let me see how long we can chat the patois them and una go understand me, alright? So now, guys, you know, so we are celebrate Bob Marley birthday already, so his memories will live on through us, you know, Jamaican people and people all over the world, African, every nation, you know, big up on yourself, and it's all about love and unity around here. So guys, you know, I said Empress here now. I go in with some eyeshadow. Yes, these are the Empress thing, you know. All right, and so guys, I'm gonna go in with this black right here, so, and I'm gonna use it over my eyes. From this palette, I'm gonna blend it out with this brown right here. We're gonna go in with this green, red right here, so, and we are gonna take the yellow from this here palette right here, so. All right, guys. Now we don't know long talking in this thing, you know, so we just gonna cut some crease and put on some eyeshadow on the lid now. All right. So let's get into the video, guys. All right. Thumbs me up, yeah. Everything airy. So now, my people, me are going at this here white eyeliner. It's a matte, and I'm gonna use it to cut this crease here, so. All right. So people, this here the look right here, so yes, lots of colors. Now I'm gonna do my foundation off camera, and then I'm gonna come right back. some red lipstick. Bob Marley birthday, yes, yes. 420, yes, yes. Rasta people, yes, yes. Me not tell no lie, this ya one sell off me people, yes. We are represent the king, Robert Nesta Marley in the house. Sir Bob Marley, yes people, me not tell no lie, this ya one ya. Up, up. To the world, me not tell no lie. Look here, me feel big and proud, you know. Yes, yes, look here. One love, respect, everything cool, everything airy. Yes, guys, look at it.